Here is a quick 10-minute easy chutney that requires very less attention on the stove. It is perfect for busy mornings and goes really well with the breakfast of idli and dosai. This has a total of 10 ingredients that you will always have in a South Indian kitchen. I have used country garlic for this recipe, but regular garlic works just fine. Add the ingredients to the pan, close it with the lid and cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just give it a toss and let it continue to cook for another 5 minutes and you're done. Cook on a medium flame so the chutney does not scorch at the bottom. Allow the chutney to cool a bit. Once the chutney is cool enough to handle, transfer to a blender. Grind it to a coarse paste and your chutney is ready. Don't add any water while grinding and make sure to grind to a coarse texture. This chutney does not require any tempering. And that's all she wrote. See you next time. Bye bye.